Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, in today I have a tutorial for you guys and it involves WhatsApp. And of course, there's new to WhatsApp that we are now allowed to use usernames. So of course, the usernames will be able to allow you to use WhatsApp without you actually um, exposing your phone number. All right. So in order to check to see if you have this feature, all right, so I took a snapshot of the notification. You'll see this appear in the main section of your chat in WhatsApp where it says usernames are coming soon. And it says keep your phone number private with a username reserve yours. And of course, you can click on the option. But even before you actually get the option, you can go ahead and launch WhatsApp. Once you're in WhatsApp, I have switched from the main chat tab. You're gonna go ahead, in case you don't see the notification, you can actually, or the notification disappear, you're gonna go ahead and tap on the three lines. You're gonna go to settings. You're gonna go to your account. And of course, once you're under your account as seen here, you're gonna go to where it says usernames right here. And then you're gonna create a username. You're gonna go ahead and type something in. And of course, you're gonna see if it's available. It will tell you whether or not it's available, and you want to claim your username or your specific username quickly before it is actually taken, especially if you have a particular one that you are targeting. I've chosen one. Notice I've gotten the check mark. I'm gonna go ahead next, and I'm gonna continue to verify it. Next is gonna actually to confirm, and of course, this involves your profiles to make sure everything is in one. So I've confirmed it and as I've gotten the check mark. Now, soon I'll be able to just give my username, and of course, I don't need to give my number for WhatsApp, and that's gonna be used as the profile handle versus actually using your number as we did in the past with WhatsApp. Next, here on the username, it says contact me by username, and of course, I've had that set to everyone. So from now on, they'll have to contact by username, and that's pretty much it. All right, so my account is now everything as usual. And of course, while everything is as usual, the only thing now, whenever somebody's searching me up, they'll have to actually use my username. And that's how you secure a username in the new WhatsApp update. Hope that was useful. And of course, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.